G'day guys, quick update on the Duel Tanker. I've just been putting in the LEDs for the pilot lights and brake lights and all that sort of jazz. Haven't videoed it because I just hate doing electrics, man. But they're quite dim, which is what I wanted. That's all good. And might not see it from the side, you can see. These ones are going as well. So good. One thing is that these two aren't working for some reason, but I don't care. I'm not pulling it apart to check it. I've obviously cocked something up, but that'll do. What I did with these normal LEDs, this one's the brightest, I left that one. All these other ones are dim because what I did was I spray painted the red LEDs with black paint and then went over it with red paint again to give them a kind of dull, new look. So yeah, LEDs are done. Next video will be on the Freightliner, 50s Freightliner, and then we'll do one more on this, I think, the last of the detailing, and this will be ready. I want to take it to a truck show in March, so I gotta get this finished, finish the detailing, and hopefully finish that little red Valiant to go with it. We'll see how we go. Alright, just a quick catch up, nothing special. See you later.